Hi, this is Jeff with Crystal Clean, coming to you from our new Naples, Florida office. You know, we've been cleaning common areas for over 43 years, and as we continue gaining new accounts that are common areas, some are interior, some more exterior, but what I find is everybody asks about the consistency. How do we keep all of our property clean consistently? And you know, we want to help solve that riddle for you. So obviously there's an amount of time that needs to be spent, a number of cleaners, but we also want to make sure we put together a checklist for our cleaners so that they can identify what they've done each day. Also, we keep a calendar that is available to them through our Crystal Clean app, and they know what is expected of them as they come and go to your property so they consistently keep everything clean the way that you'd like it to be. So if that sounds good to you, please reach out. You can find us at cleaningnaplesfl.com or give us a call, 239-936-7700. I'm Jeff. I would love to talk to you.